Hello and welcome to We Learn. This is session number 4 of Society in India, Family and its Type. Topics to be covered: institution of family, type of family, nature of joint family in India, developmental process of family and change in a family. Institution of family. Yes, in this session of Society in India, we were going to have an understanding about the society livings, or we can say that the society living in a family. किस तरीके की families होती हैं, families basically क्या होती है, इंडिया में कितने टाइप की families हैं, why family is required in the society. The biggest question is what? When people come together, people live in a society. Obviously, they have their relationships, they have that links with the other people. These relationships lead a person to be in a family, and this family is constructed as an institution of family. So that is why if we talk about the institution of a family, it is referred to the group compromising the parents and children's. That is, ये एक group होता है जिसके अंदर parents और children's होते हैं. So that is what the institutions of the family. It may also refer as to the patriotic linkage or to a group of the cognates, that is person descended from the same ancestor. यानी कि same एक पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी जो बढ़ती चली जाती है, उसके जो groups होते हैं वो family होती है. In some other cases it may be referred to the group of a relatives. बहुत सारे केसेस में ये रिलेटिव्स का ग्रुप भी बोला जाता है. दे डिपेंड फॉर्मिंग वन हाउस होल्ड, यानी कि एक घर बनाने के लिए, एक टुगेदरनेस के लिए, एक बेटर लिविंग के लिए, दैट कम्स इनटू द फैमिली पार्ट. ऑल दिस रेफर्स टू द कंपोजिशनल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन. Now we can also speak of the relation aspects of the family, that yes, there was always a relation linkage between a family. Members have a reciprocal rights and duties together towards each other. एक फैमिली में जब लोग रहते हैं तो एक दूसरे के लिए उनकी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं, कुछ ड्यूटीज होती हैं. दे कम अप इन अ रिलेशनशिप, दे वांट टू बी इन अ रिलेशनशिप. सो फाइनली द फैमिली इज ऑल्सो एन एजेंट ऑफ एन सोशलाइजेशन. तो फैमिली जो है वो एक एजेंट होता है सोशलाइजेशन का. ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट मेक दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर यूनिट ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो. फैमिली को अगर एक सोशल एस्पेक्ट से देखा जाए तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बिकॉज सोसाइटी के अंदर सर्वाइवल करने के लिए पर्सन इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर दी टुगेदरनेस एट द सेम टाइम इक्वलाइज, जिसको आप अपना मान सको, जिसे आप शेयरिंग कर सके टुगेदर, जिसके साथ अपनी लाइफ स्पेंड कर सकें. इन दैट यस योर फैमिली इज देयर. तभी एक फैमिली जैसे रिलेशनशिप्स क्रिएट किए जाते हैं. पेरेंट्स, मदर, फादर एंड दी स्पाउसेस, brother, sister. So these are what comes into a family. तो एक social living के लिए it is always required. So the specific form and the behavior pattern found within a family have shown the variations through the time across the country of a world and even within a country. A socialistic look at the institution both in the term of an ideal type and realities. When we talk about the type of a family, so family usually comprises of various combination and prematuration of these relationship. In Indian context, yes, family अगर Indian point of view से बात करें तो दो ही तरीके से divide होती है. That is what nuclear family and joint family type. Classification of family into the joint and nuclear is usually based on the way which family are organized. Family किस तरीके से organized है, उसी तरीके से उसकी classifications होती हैं. Frequently, the time extended family is used instead of the term joint family to indicate that combination of two or more nuclear family is based on the extensions of the parental-child relationship. So, yes, एक नई टर्म फैमिली के टाइप में यूज होती है, दैट इज एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली वो होती है व्हेन जॉइंट फैमिली टू इंटेंडेड दैट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू और मोर न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, यानी कि जब people are looking or we can say that the families are living at a nuclear part, मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूक्लियरली रह रहे हैं but they are still joined together. So इस तरीके की families भी होती हैं जिन्हें हम extended families बोलते हैं. That is why it's what combination of two or more nuclear family which is on the extension of parental child relationship. एक्सटेंशन है उनकी पेरेंटल चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप है. दैट इज सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू ब्रदर्स आर लिविंग टुगेदर बट दे हैव देयर न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, independent living they both have. So that comes into the extended family. So the extended family may also be extended horizontally to include the group consisting of 2 or more brothers, their wife and their children. In India, the family whether extended vertical or horizontal, it's called a joint family. बहुत commonly हम उसे joint family की term में use करते हैं. The above definition of the nuclear and the joint family are limited in the sense they do not say anything more than the composing aspect of the family. Now, what is quantum of a nuclear and joint family system? If we see what is joint family and nuclear family, so what is quantum of that? The structure of a family change over a time period in the size, composition, role, status of a people, the family and societal norms in the sections. So there probably is rarely a family in India which remains perpetual nuclear in the composition. So the nuclear families is the stage in the cycle with other statistical structural type of a family. So if we talk about the structure of a family changes over the time period, so yes, it is what कि हर family का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, द वे दे लिव, वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफर कर जाता है साइज बेसिस पर, उनके रोल बेसिस पर, स्टेटस बेसिस पर, फैमिली बेसिस पर, सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स के बेसिस पर. सो डिफाइनिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ न्यूक्लियर और जॉइंट फैमिली इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज उसमें बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स ऐड होते हैं, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स ऑलरेडी ऐड होते हैं, दे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट अ लॉट. So Colland gives the following compositional categories. उन्होंने कुछ categories दी थी. That is nuclear family and supplementary nuclear family, subnuclear family, single person household and supplemented subnuclear family. So these are what the type of families they are basically defining categories. What is Hindu joint family? It is what the paternal patrivolent property owning co-residential commensal joint family composing the 3 or more generation has been depicted as an ideal family unit of the Hindu society. That is what comes into जब family किसी भी तरीके की साथ में जब लोग रहते हैं, 2 से या 3 से ज़्यादा जब जनरेशन एक ही जगह रह रहे होते हैं या वो एक ही तरह के बिजनेस में होते हैं, एक ही रेजिडेंस के पास होते हैं, सेम प्रॉपर्टी पर दे विल लिविंग, दैट इज व्हाट द आइडियल फैमिली यूनिट ऑफ अ हिंदू सोसाइटी. सो द जॉइंट फैमिली कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ मैन and his wife and their adult son, their wife and children, young children of their parental couple. So that is what the combination of the Hindu joint family. In this ideal type of old male is the head of the family. Hindu joint family के अंदर जो heads होते हैं, that is what the oldest person, and the right and the duty in this type of a family are let down to the greater extent by the hierarchical order of the power and authority. So this is always उनकी जो rights and duties हैं वो भी hierarchical wise divide होती हैं. That is was on the basis of seniority, on the basis of the working of the powers and authority. Then age and sex are main ordering principle of this hierarchy. Yes, female और male क्या age है ये main factor होता है family के अंदर. And then frequency and the nature of the communication between the member varying on the basis of the sex. तो in terms of कि किस तरीके से communicate करना है, किस तरीके का पूरा structure होगा, किस तरीके की proper living होगी, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा sex basis पर होता है. That means the male members how they live, how they practice their workings, और जो female members हैं वो किस तरीके से अपनी practices को apply करेंगे उस family के अंदर. On the conjugal ties is supposed to be a weaken the substantial of the joint family. The father-son relationship and relationship between brothers are more crucial from the joint family system than the husband-wife relationship. This is what we can see that जो husband-wife relationship होता है, this is very conjugal relationship. At the same time, father and son's relationship is the filial relationship और brothers का relationship जो होता है वो fraternal relationship होता है. Now, what is the nature of a joint family in India? If we talk about the India, तो India के अंदर joint family का nature क्या है? There are 2 aspects of a joint family system in India, which is based on what constitute the jointness and what constitute a joint family. That means being in a joint family is one thing, being in a jointness is another thing. So जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम दो एस्पेक्ट्स को लेकर आता है, कितनी जॉइंटनेस है और कौन जॉइंट फैमिली में है. Both the subsections will show us how the seeming nuclear family in India are actually a part of a large family group, which shares the ideas of jointness. ऐसा भी अक्सर देखा जाता है सबसेक्शन सोसाइटी के अंदर कि न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज भी होती हैं, बट वो एक पार्ट होती हैं लार्ज फैमिली ग्रुप का, और वो जॉइंटनेस जैसी टेक्निक पर काम कर रहे होते हैं. दे आर जॉइंट टुगेदर, दे वर्क टुगेदर, सो दैट्स कम्स इनटू नेचर ऑफ अ जॉइंट फैमिली. What constitute jointness? अब jointness reflects the factor. कौन कौन से factors की वजह से एक family के अंदर jointness आ सकती है. सबसे पहले commensality, that means the commencing of the working, that comes into the commensality. Then another is common resident. अगर उनका common resident है तो at the same time joint ownership of property. Property में they have a joint ownership. कॉर्पोरेशन एंड सेंटिमेंट्स, दैट मीन्स वो किसी तरीके के कॉर्पोरेशंस में हैं, टुगेदरली दे वर वर्किंग, और वी कैन से दैट दे हैव अ सेंटिमेंट टुगेदर. सो अनदर इज द रिचुअल बॉन्ड, दैट मीन्स किसी तरीके का बॉन्ड है, किसी तरीके का रिचुअल्स बॉन्ड्स हैं. सो दैट्स कम्स इनटू द जॉइंटनेस. Then who constitute a joint family? Joint family कौन बनाता है? Joint family is what we can look at the issue like kin relationship between the members. अगर एक brother sisters relationship है तो that is kin relationship between the members. Cousins भी हो गए, cousins के साथ आप cousin brother के साथ good एक सिंक्रनाइजेशन है या उनके साथ बहुत अच्छे से बात होती है. सो दैट्स ऑल कम्स इनटू किंग रिलेशनशिप्स बिटवीन द मेंबर्स. एट द सेम टाइम नंबर ऑफ जनरेशन इन वन यूनिट, अगर कितने नंबर ऑफ जनरेशन हैं आपकी एक यूनिट के अंदर. एंड शेयरिंग ऑफ एन अ कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी, अगर आप किसी तरीके की कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी भी शेयर कर रहे हो तो उस केस में भी यू आर इन दी जॉइंट फैमिली. अब किंग रिलेशनशिप्स क्या होते हैं? यस, वी कैन से दैट द जॉइंट फैमिली मे कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ मेंबर रिलेटेड टू दी linearly or the collaterally or both. So there is more or less an unanimous agreement that a family is essential different as in a joint only if it includes two or more related married couple. So that is what the same we already discussed in the previous slide. That is king's relationship वो होते हैं जैसे brothers and brother relationship हो गया, और the brother sister relationships हो गए. That all comes into a king's relationship. The pollen column present the following type of joint family on the basis of relatives who are its member. So उन्होंने बहुत सारे कुछ relatives को बताया था. That is what the correlated joint family, supplementary correlated joint family. Just to mention what is correlated joint family, we were backing to the diagram. That is what these इस तरीके के relationships जो होते हैं वो define होते हैं king's relationship के अंदर. So that is what the supplementary correlated joint family, linear joint family, supplemented linear joint family, linear correlated joint family, supplemented linear correlated joint family. The number of generation of the one unit is basically the commonly defined the 3 generation family. जब 3 generation family जो है एक जगह होती है तो that comes into number of generation कि कितनी एक particular time period में कितनी generations हैं. Sharing up common property, that means what? The family members are living in a one property or they have a common source to get an income, or they own a group of a property, so that comes into the sharing of a common property. Female member has not been included in this category. That is they have a right of a residence and maintenance only as a dependent. So किसी तरीके का as independent member उनकी sharing नहीं होती है. Sharing of a common property, some movable properties is given to the daughter at the time of a marriage. So that comes into the movable properties with the passing of the Hindu Sections Act in 1956. That is what कि कोई भी movable property जो है वो daughter की marriage के time पे उन्हें दिया जा सकता है. So that comes into another important feature of the act. Is that any property proposed by the family female Hindu is held by her as her absolute property and she has a full power to deal with it. Now variabilities in and prevalence of the joint family living. Variabilities और prevalence क्या क्या है joint family के living के लिए. We identified a joint family in terms of what is shared and who is sharing. So it is what that is variability. किस तरीके की आप practices करते हो, क्या terms and condition आप share कर रहे हो और किस कौन कौन share कर रहा है, that comes into the variability. It is what factor relating to the compositional aspects. That is what cultural pattern, time of breakup, demographic profile, education, mobility, diversification of occupation, that's all comes into the variability. Prevalence. Prevalence is what joint family both linearly and correlately was more characteristic of a higher toist bone caste and least character amongst the economical poor and the untouchables. So that comes into the prevalence. Ideal of the joint family living, yes, India's in basically the Party-Volans family can be viewed in terms of a cycle. Nuclear family develop in a joint family after marriage of a son and becoming a daughter-in-law. So nuclear family basically तभी develop होती है जब एक दो couple के बच्चों की शादी होती है तब. So the process of fusion taken place, the joint family is broken into the related smaller family now. So this is what the fusion technique, that means एक टाइम पीरियड के बाद अलग अलग छोटी छोटी फैमिली यूनिट्स जो हैं वो क्रिएट होती चली जाती हैं. So the ideal of the development cycle of a family does not apply universally to all group. जरूरी नहीं है कि ये universally follow हो हर group के साथ. The achievement of joint family is difficult because of the demographic, economic factor as well as due to the role of women and mobility. So joint family में आना, joint family में stay कर पाना थोड़ा सा difficult होता है क्योंकि they were a very difference in demographic factors, economical factor also, and yes, the role of a women is always there, and mobility factor is one of the another factor. So that is one of the thing which is difficult to be applicable. Now what are the factors which is basically affecting the ideals of the joint family living? सबसे पहला factor जो affect कर रहा होता है, that is what demographic factor. That is what demographic livings, the areas effect क्या है, जहाँ जिस society में आप रहते हैं उसका effect क्या है. Economical factor, that is what the income they were earning, the savings they were doing, वो किस तरीके से subdivide होती है, कैसे work होता है, that is economical factor. Role of women बहुत बड़ी चीज हो जाती है, that is what kind of a role and practices they were doing, and mobility is one. Now changes in the family, yes there are many changes in the family. We already studied कि बहुत सारे factors की वजह से joint family के अंदर effect आता है. कहीं ना कहीं इन्हीं factors के effect की वजह से आज के scenarios में बहुत ज़्यादा changes हैं when we talk about the family. So in order to measure the overall changes taken place in the family as an institution in India, we need to identify the major forces. The host of the interrelated factor, economy, education, legal, demographic has affected in the family in India. These are what? Economical factor, education factor, at the same time legal factor or urbanization factor. These are what the factor which is affecting the joint family. Now what are the factors who were changed to the lead? So joint family ethics is very much evident in performance of the certain role obligations. These may be physical and financial assistance of king members. बहुत ज़्यादा कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि yes financial assistance और financial involvements जो होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा effect करती हैं king members के अंदर. और a family in a city has a duty to shelter on the another city, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा reason हो जाता है to split off a joint family. So joint family is basically a drive functional to the process of industrialization, has been challenged by those who pointed out that some of the successful industrial establishment in the country are managed by the individual who strictly live by a joint family. So it is one of the challenge for a society कि एक person strictly एक joint family society में रह जाए. So they maintain the co-resistance, common contributions they required. At the same time, yes, regional difference is very much affected. Industrialization serve as a strength of the joint family because of the economy basis, and they provide the support it because more hands are needed in the renewed family enterprises. And emerging patterns of the family living is also there. That is what urbanized area, urbanized effect, gaining employment, moving outside from the home place, लुकिंग फॉर अ मोर मनी टू गेन, फैमिलीज इश्यूज, ये सब कुछ पैटर्न्स होते हैं जो कि फैमिली लिविंग्स को चेंज करते हैं. Aged parents is one of the factors who formerly used to look towards the eldest son of to support them, to give them a family support and family provision, even within a city parents and married son. So yes, this is what we actually discuss in the slides, that how family works. एक joint family किस तरीके से काम करती है, क्या रीजंस हैं, क्या फैक्टर्स हैं जिनकी वजह से जॉइंट फैमिली में स्प्लिट्स आते हैं. एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर इफेक्टिंग दैट जॉइंट फैमिली. सो there are few questions which you have to do it yourself. First is what is meant by the cycling view of family. Cycling view of family क्या है, सबसे पहले आपको ये बताना है. Then another is list out the 5 criteria of the jointness. Jointness के 5 criteria को आपको state करना है. So this is all about for the today's session. We are winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.